QR codes can be an amazing tool to get the deal done fast. Let's say you are promoting your products and services during a live event offline and you're looking to divert that traffic online, get your people into the CRM, maybe even pay a product right there and then, or simply start a WhatsApp sales conversation. I will show you how. To access the QR code generator, click on Sites on the left, QR codes at the top, and then click Create QR Code. Here you can rename your QR code. Let's say we are at the live event. Now here you can decide what you want to do with this QR code. Do you want to drive offline to online engagement with these scannable QR codes? Do you want to collect the payments? For example, you can select an existing payment link or create a new one during this setup. Once then scanned, the user will be taken directly to the payment checkout. Very, very great for the signages like pay here. Loads of food stores down the road where I live have that. You just scan the QR code and then you pay whatever you just ordered. Very handy, very fast. So it saves time if there's a huge queue, and down here is always a huge queue. It saves time for the payer and also for the seller. Maybe you want to start a WhatsApp chat. You can add your WhatsApp phone number and the optional pre-filled message. What should the message say? When somebody scans the code, then there is a message that opens up which helps them typically like to start a conversation, like a prompt like, hey, I'm interested in booking an appointment, for example. Or do you want to simply drive that traffic to a funnel, to a form, survey, or quiz? It's perfect for like fun marketing campaigns, contests, or list buildings when it comes to quizzes. So there's many great different options, as you can see. In this case, let's go for funnels. Let's hit next. And here you can select the funnel name. Let's say sales page for one of our courses. And then you can select the step. In this case, we only have one page in this funnel at the moment. So we select the landing page. Now we want to hit next. Then right here, you can adjust the colors, the background, the dot colors, the market border color, the marketer center color in the middle, the shape and form. Do you want to have it square, a bit more rounded, the marker border, and the marker center. Also, you'll be able to upload your logo, or let's say if it's a WhatsApp campaign, you just simply select the WhatsApp sign here and that shows up in the middle so people exactly know, okay, if I scan this code, it will forward me to their WhatsApp. Or if it's a payment link and you collect payments with Stripe or PayPal or MasterCard even, you just put that logo in the middle so people know, okay, here is how I need to pay. And you can decide if you want to remove the background behind the logo or maybe even not. I would recommend that because it's much more clear what it is. And then also you can add the page background image. Ta-da, here we go. And then adjust the transparency to not take attention away from the QR code. Awesome. And then from here, you can download it and then send it off to the printers to add to your poster that you put next to your food store. Hit save. And here we go. Here is the live event QR code. And here, if you click the three dots, you can move it to a folder if you've created one. You can again download it as a PNG file, which means with transparent background, or SVG, PDF, or simply delete it. If you wanted to go back and edit it, simply click edit and go through the same steps again. Here it will let you choose the funnel. If you change the funnel for the QR code, let's say during the next event or during the next week, you have another promotion going on, you simply go in, you switch the funnel, you switch the step, hit next. If you wanted to adjust the colors, you can do so, of course. Hit save again. And that's it. That's how you can update your QR code. If you decide to connect your QR code to funnels, forms, surveys, or quizzes, then these have to be set up prior to creating the QR code, because as you just saw, you have to select the link when you're setting up the QR code. If you decide to do the WhatsApp QR code, then the desktop version of WhatsApp will pop up and will be connected, provided the user has that set up. And that's how you integrate QR codes marketing into your campaigns. Check out the links in the description below. There's loads of different tips on how to do your marketing better, and I will see you on the other side.